I'm about to break everything you know about building authority on X. You don't need 100k followers. You don't need to post 10 times a day. You don't need to be on X for years. So how do I know? Because I built a multiple 5-figure business with just 3k followers. And I helped over 100 people build their authority on X. With the methods I will show you now, you can build your business better and faster than someone that's doing it for years. So if you are tired of getting followers but failing to convert them to clients, watch this video, because in the end I'm gonna show you how you can read your audience mind and actually speak directly to their pain points. Now most people think they need thousands of followers and months of experience before they can start building real authority. But you don't need to wait that much. I'm gonna show you how you can build more social proof in the next 30 days than most people build in 3 years. Here is my exact social proof stack that I use with all my clients. Level 1. Content wins. This is the foundation and it's completely free. Every single comment and every single DM that praises you, take a screenshot and save it. This is a gold mine. But I'm not talking about those basic great thread or nice post comments. I'm talking about those specific comments where people say things like, "It's completely changed how I think about this topic. I implemented these and got these results. I've been struggling these with months, but you just solved it for me." These are pure authority builders because they show real impact. Pro tip: create a folder called Proof Bank and save every one of these. You will later use them in your content and sales process. Level 2. The $1 client speedrun. Instead of waiting months to get massive client results, we are going to stack up quick wins. Here is exactly how. Offer 15-minute laser-focused consultation calls for just $1. Give rapid audits. Solve one specific problem per person. The secret sauce: keep it focused and manageable. Don't try to solve all of their problems. Pick one thing you can fix for 15 minutes. Then deliver massive value in that micro package. This will give you both a lot of experience and also a lot of social proof. So you'll be able to charge higher prices in the future. The moment they get a small win, capture that proof immediately. Having 20 testimonials is more powerful than just having one big case study, because it shows you can get results for anyone. Now step 2. Your high value networking strategy. Look, I've helped over 100 people build their authority on X. And I can tell you with certainty, everyone's approach of networking is completely wrong. Friends are not made in comments, they are made in DMs. And let me tell you something that's even more important. The faster you'll build a strong network, the faster you'll build authority. But here's where most people mess up. They try to network with everyone. They spam random people with generic messages. They waste time on connections that go nowhere. Instead, I'm gonna show you my exact networking system that I use to build real relationships that drive real results. Here's the step-by-step blueprint. 1. Target selection first. We need to be strategic about who we connect with. The rule is simple. Focus on people who already show interest in your content, because someone that commented before is 10 times more likely to comment and support you again. If you see someone who is slightly above your level and has quality profile and content, I strongly suggest you focus on that person. First message formula. Here is my exact framework for sending DMs that actually gets responses and build relationships. First, acknowledge their engagement. Hey name, thanks for engaging with my content. Then show you've done your homework. I noticed you are also into specific thing from your profile. Lower their guard. Honestly, I'm not here to sell anything. It works because it's personal. It shows that you paid attention and immediately removes the sales pressure. 3. Conversation flow. This is where the magic happens. The key principles are these. Be genuinely interested. Ask thoughtful questions. Provide value where you can. Don't force anything. And please, don't ask for engagement without providing any value. And don't make an offer without seeing any interest first. 4. The exit strategy. This is crucial and most people mess it up. Never let a conversation die out naturally. Always end on a high note. Exit examples. I really enjoyed chatting with you. Looking forward to supporting your journey. Let's keep in touch on timeline. This will solidify the relationship. After building that network, start every day engaging with them before posting your own content. Because when you post after supporting others, they are much more likely to support you back. Remember, it's better to have one strong connection than 10 weak ones. Now, before I show you the next 2 powerful strategies, I want to give you something that will accelerate your results even faster. I've put together my 12 steps proven process to help you monetize on X faster. This is the exact system I used to make $5 per follower, build a multiple 5-figure business, and help over 100 people achieve these results. You can get instant access to this system right now. Just click the link in the description and sign up for my newsletter. You'll get the complete system delivered straight into your inbox. Step 3. Building public authority formula. Here is the brutal truth about building authority on X. Most people are stuck in guru mode, just repeating what they learned from YouTube videos. But the real authority? It comes from actually doing the work and showing your results. Let me show you my exact formula for this. First, forget everything you know about how to content. That's what everyone has been doing, and that's why they are not getting results. Instead, here is what I do. I transform every how to into a how I post. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of saying, how to get more clients from X, 10 ways to improve your content, the best method to grow your audience, here is what I say. How I landed 3 clients using this exact strategy. I doubled my engagement doing these 3 things. My content stuck until I did these changes. So can you feel the difference? The first approach makes you sound like every other guru. The second approach proves you've actually done it. Do you wanna know an even better thing? I always connect losses to eventual wins. Here is the exact formula I use. First, start with the struggle. My DMs were completely dead. Second, show the process. So I completely changed my approach. 3. Reveal the results. My DMs are full of qualified leads. See how that builds even more authority. Now, because you are not someone that just succeeds. You are someone that overcomes failures. And that's what really makes people trust you. Remember, anyone can share a theory, but only you can share your specific journey. That's what makes you the authority. Step 4. Pain point mastery system. The biggest authority builder is not actually showing your success. It's showing your audience that you truly understand their pain. When you are struggling with something, who do you trust more? The person that shows off their Lamborghini, or the person that can describe exactly what you are going through? Here is my exact strategy for becoming that second person. First, we need to deeply understand our audience's struggles. Not just surface level stuff like they want more clients, they need more money, they want more followers. I'm talking about the real, emotional stuff. They are waking up at 3 AM wondering if they are frauds. They are feeling everyone else is succeeding except them. They are tired of watching other people get results while they are stuck. This is where real connection happens. Here is my exact framework for creating content that hits these exact pain points. The reality check. Start by describing their current situation so vividly that they think you are actually reading their mind. Tons of volume, lots of content, but zero income. Wondering what you are doing wrong. The emotional bridge. Show them you have been exactly where they are. 6 months ago, same story. Great expertise, endless posts but zero clients. The hope spark. Give them a glimpse of what's possible. Until I realized one thing that's holding me back, it wasn't my content or my expertise. The proof point. Show them you are not just talking. You've actually solved this. Now my content gets millions of impressions. I have clients DMing me every day, and I had others achieve the same. But now you need to agitate the pain before providing the solution. Because if they don't feel the pain deeply enough, they won't take action on the solution. So there you have it. The exact blueprint to build real authority on X. You can absolutely take everything I shared here and implement it yourself. But here is the thing. Building authority is not just about knowing what to do. It's about executing it correctly and consistently. That's why I help tens of people build their authority on X through my Leverage Creator Mastermind program. If you want to skip the trial and error and get the exact guidance for building authority on X, click the first link in the description to learn how I can help you with building and monetizing your brand. And on these calls, I create you a ready-to-work game plan so that you can implement. I personally help you implement everything you learned in this video. Plus give you access to my proven systems and frameworks that help my clients consistently attract dream clients through X. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos on building your personal brand on X. Also, you can check this video on how to write a viral thread on X. See you on the next video.